Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to start page number 1 from page 2 in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document with 4 pages. Now I start page numbers 1 from page 2. Uh, Put your cursor end of the page 1, then go to insert menu. Now you can see here are break option. Now click section break to next page. Now backspace on this blank page, and you can see here are my second page. Now I start page numbers 1 from page 2. Double click on this page 2 header option. Now you can see here are link to previous checkbox. Now of this checkbox, now go to option drop down menu and choose page numbers. Now you can see here are headers and start at 1. Now select this start at option and press apply. Now press outside of this header. Now you can see I start page numbers 1 from page 2 in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.